Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you not one, not two, but 3 awesome ways to place your video inside the text. Let's dive in. First up, open Canva and create a new video project. Once you're in, upload your video and drag it onto the timeline. Now resize and adjust your video. Head over to the Elements tab and search for letter frame and select letters you want to use. Like here we select SURF for our surfing video. Resize and align all letters, then drop your video inside each frames. Double-click and resize video to match the original video in background. Do the same for all letters. Once done, you can adjust transparency of background video, or you can remove background video and change background color. And that's it. You've got your video inside the text. Now this one is super cool. Drop your video onto a new page. Again, add a new page and then go to Elements and choose the square shape. Resize it and change the color to black. You can choose any color you want. Next, go to the text and type your text. Select font you like and make it big and bold. Make sure that your font color and background color are same. Download this page as PNG. Upload the PNG file and add the image to the video page. Click on it to edit the image. Remove the background, increase the size, and adjust the transparency if you want. And there you go! Another awesome way to place your video inside the text. Last but not the least, the third method. Add your video and resize it. Go to the text and type your text. Change the font to something fun and bold. Search box and set this font. Size it up and place it in the middle of your canvas. Now go back to Elements and use shapes to fill in all the space around your text. You can change the color of your text to anything you like. And that's it. You've got 3 amazing ways to add video inside the text using Canva. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. See you next time.